You don't have a money problem. You have a systems problem. Most of you spent the first week of 2026 setting massive goals. You said you were going to quit the job, start the business, and save $10,000. But by day 15, you were back on the couch, scrolling through the lives of people who actually did the work. You think you failed because you lacked a motivation. But the truth is, motivation is a scam. It is a feeling, and feelings don't build empires. Today, we are performing the final autopsy of this series on James Clear's Atomic Habits. Because if you don't master the small, boring repetitions, you will never own the big, exciting results. In this channel, we've covered the assets, the psychology, the ancient rules, and the fast lane. But none of it matters if you can't stay consistent. If you're ready to stop being a victim of your own impulses and start becoming the architect of your future, hit that subscribe button right now. You've made it through 4 episodes of Financial Truth. Don't stop at the finish line. Now, go to the comments and tell me the one tiny thing you do every single day that is actually holding you back. Let's clean the house. James Clear's Violent Truth is the ultimate reality check. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. A goal is just a dream with a deadline. A system is the repeatable process that makes the dream inevitable. If you want $1 million, that's a goal. If you have a system where 10% of every check is automatically moved to an index fund before you can touch it, that's a system. The goal is the destination, but the system is the engine. In an economy designed to distract you with breaking news and viral trends, your only defense is a boring, rock-solid routine. Pause? Here is why your resolutions fail. You try to change your outcomes instead of your identity. You say, I want to be rich. But a rich person isn't someone who has money. A rich person is someone who has the habits of a wealth builder. If you won the lottery tomorrow but kept your poor dada habits, you would be broke again in 24 months. To change your bank account, you have to change your atomic habits, the tiny 1% improvements that compound over time. Wealth is the lagging measure of your financial habits. Your weight is a lagging measure of your eating habits. Your knowledge is a lagging measure of your reading habits. You get what you repeat. Let's talk about the 2026 environment design. Your phone is a casino designed by geniuses to keep you scrolling. Your fridge is full of dopamine-spiking food designed to keep you eating. If you rely on willpower to save money or work on your business, you will lose every single time. The secret of the wealthy isn't that they have more willpower. It's that they design environments where they don't need willpower. They hide the distractions and automate the discipline. They make the good habits easy and the bad habits impossible. If you have to think about saving money, you've already lost the battle. The boring compound gap is where the magic happens. In 2026, everyone wants the quantum leap. They want the crypto pump or the viral hit. But real wealth is built in the shadows. During the days when no one is watching and nothing feels like it's changing. It is that plateau of latent potential. You work for months with no results. And then suddenly, the curve shifts upward. Most people quit right before the shift. They want the fruit, but they refuse to water the roots. The economy will reward the disciplined and bankrupt the distracted. You have the tools. You have the blueprints. Now, you need the repetitions. Before you go, pick one atomic habit, one tiny action that takes less than 2 minutes, and commit to doing it every day for the next month. Tell me what that habit is in the comments.